What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Bitcoin. Started to break down here. Currently, we're sitting at 27,888, down about 5.8 on the day. We're sitting on market cap of 525 billion. 24-hour volume 35.45 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. So we've broken down from this descending triangle. It looks like we're completing our wave 4. And we're seeing that final wave 5. So if you do see us start to retrace here, we may be looking at our wave 1. We come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on where we start to retrace. What you can do is just wait for that retracement. Once you see price start to retrace to the 0.382, the 0.5, or the 0.618, you know you're completed your wave 1 and you're going through your wave 2 correction. Now the 0.382 is a minimum target, and it does line up with the previous support, now resistance of this descending triangle. So if you do see us start to push up here, there's your confirmation of the end of wave 1. You get rejected in this area, and then you see your continuation down for your wave 3. Now, of course, Elliott wave theory is subjective, so do take it with a grain of salt. But what you would be looking for is a 5-wave structure. So let's say we came down wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Wave 5, or maybe this is your wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete that larger wave 1. But all you really have to do is wait for that retracement. Once price starts to retrace, you get rejected. That's when I look to enter my short position on the retracement here. But we did break down and we back tested this descending triangle. So in my opinion, it does look like we're coming down for that final 5th wave to bring us down in between 22 to 24K. So if we do continue to sell off here, we have come all the way back down to this low. But if we do continue to sell off, all you're looking at, in my opinion, is a larger wave 1, and you're looking for that wave 2 retracement. This is quite an impulsive move. I thought this might have been your wave 1, where you've come down wave 1, wave 2, and you're looking for that larger wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Definitely still a possibility here, but this is quite an impulsive move here, so this definitely could be your wave 1. And we're looking for that 5-wave structure to complete the larger wave 5. If I zoom out here, let's zoom out to the daily, as I've been mentioning here. I do think we're going through that 5-wave move to the downside. Wave 1, corrective wave 2, largest wave 3, corrective wave 4. Looking for that final wave 5 to complete your larger ABC correction. And I do believe this is a massive corrective wave 4. With our wave structure starting from the bear market of 2019, impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3, a massive corrective wave 4 going through an ABC correction, and looking for that final wave 5 to take us up above 100K for BTC. So in the short term here for Bitcoin, if we do start to bounce here, then we may be looking at a completion of our wave 1. If we come up in between the 0.382, the 0.5, the 0.618, we get rejected. That's when I would look to enter a short position. Mostly I'm trading Matic right now, but I may look to short BTC as well and ride it down for that final wave 5 to bring us down to that 22 to 24K price target. In my opinion, we are quite oversold on the 4-hour time frame as well as on the 1 hour, so we could definitely start to see that retracement sooner than later, in my opinion. We have the 200-week moving average coming in at 22K. More confluence that we are coming down to that level. And then I do believe we'll be looking for that 3rd demand wave, followed by a massive alt season, and of course the 5th impulsive wave with our Elliott wave theory that could take you anywhere in between 135 all the way up. I mean, you can go all the way up to the 2.618, but I do think your wave 5 would probably land in between the 1.618 to the 2 or the 2.272, so the 1.618 at 135K, depending on where we bottom. I've pulled my Fibonacci down to 22K, so if 22K were to be our bottom here, 135K, 208K, 282K, but probably in between the 1.618 and the 2 for that wave 5, in my opinion. But I do think we are close to the bottom. As I've been mentioning, the RSI usually comes all the way down to oversold, and that is exactly what is happening here, as we've come down to oversold in each and every bear market, and that's what we're doing once again, coming all the way back down to oversold, which we've been covering here on the channel. So basically our predictions have been coming to fruition ever since I talked about us coming down to 22K when we were up here at 40K. we started to lose the Gaussian channel. I said the likely scenario is us coming down to 22K. And currently that does look like what is happening here. We could bottom out at 24. The Bitcoin shorts have been increasing here, a 19% increase over the last day. So a lot of traders are looking to continue to push the price down to those 22 to 24K price targets, in my opinion. So in the short term, I have my ASCII candles turned on. Let me go back to the regular candles for you guys. So in the short term, if you do see us start to bounce here, it could be the completion of the wave 1. Look for a rejection in between 28.8 and about 29.8, but I think it'd be more likely that you would come up and get rejected either by the 0.382 or the 0.5 before seeing that continuation to the downside. If we were to push all the way up and break above these highs, it would invalidate that structure. I don't think it's the likely scenario, in my opinion. I do believe we're starting to make our way down to 22 to 24K. But if we do break lower here, you're just looking at a larger wave 1, in my opinion, looking for that retracement to complete the wave 2. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We've been making some juicy profits trading Matic. That's mostly what I'm trading right now. I do give signals at the $10 membership. If you'd like to enter, you can sign up to the Patreon. Buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. The DCA trade strategy, fully explained, very simple method of trading, low stress. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, the best exchange for trading. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And you can sign up through the links in the description and in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.